I'm going to show you how to change your password on Spotify. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and let's get started. Now tap on your profile icon on your top left corner, then settings and privacy, then account overview. Then scroll down. Then under security and privacy, you're going to see change password. Just tap on it. Then enter your current password. Then enter your new password. Then once you confirm your current password and your new password, now you can repeat your new password here. Then once you've done that, just tap on set new password. Then password updated at the top there. That's how you can change your password on Spotify. If you found this useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.